Hi everyone, in this video I show you a simple way how to reset the Windows password. It works 100%. In this video I want to reset the Windows 11. With this method you can reset Windows 10 also. You need other system or other PC. Open your favorite browser. You need to download iRan's boot CD. Hit enter. Open this first link. Click on download. Scroll down. Here is file name hbcd underscore pe underscore x64.iso. Download this file. Open new tab. Right here refuse.ie. Hit enter. Scroll down. Refuse 4.5.exe. It is standard. Download this one. Close. This PC. Download. We need these two software. In this step you need one USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. Plug in your USB. Come back to download. Double click on refuse. Click on yes. Select your USB. It is detected by default. Select. Find the download ISO. It is on download. Select. Open. You can change the volume level. Click on start. You will get this error, no problem. Okay. It will take a few moments to copy all this file on the flash or USB. Click on close. When you create bootable, plug in your flash drive. From keyboard, press and hold the shift key. Then restart your Windows. Please wait. Select troubleshoot. Advanced option. UEFI firmware settings. Restart. Select USB device. Loading files. This step takes a few moments. Initializing high-range boot CD. It is like Windows. Click on the Windows icon. All programs. Security. Select password. Here we have different software like password recovery, anti-password, but we need to reset password. Click on Windows Login Unlocker. This software detects your username by default. My username is admin. Here we have restore, backup option, bypass, new user, reset unlock. When you click in this drop down or right click on your username, then select reset password or click in this drop down reset password. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. In this step, close it. Start. Restart this system or this software. Now we will log in without any password. Welcome. If you press Ctrl Alt Delete, Click on switch user. Now we don't have any password. Click on sign in. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time.